Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be going over a method that not a lot of people are talking about right now, and not a lot of people are actually doing this. So after you watching this video, I'm going to advise you to get on this method as fast as possible because there's not a lot of competition around this method right now. So guys, with this method you are going to be taking 5 minutes out of your time every single day to set this up, and after setting this up with 5 minutes you are going to be getting the chance to make about $5 all the way to $100 over and over again. So real quick, if this is your first time on this channel, Moneyboy, do me a solid favor. Go below this video, smash the red subscribe button. Actually, you are going to be doing yourself a favor also, because on this channel we are go over the different methods to make money online using different methods. So if you want to make money online, if you want to learn how to make money online, make sure you subscribe and turn on notification so you get updated every single time I drop a new video like this one. So with this method, I'm sure you guys have already seen these two websites up here. You're going to be needing only two websites. And ton of you guys already know PicoWorkers. I'm pretty sure you guys know about it already. But guys, on this website, do not think you are going to be coming over here to complete jobs. You are not going to do that, because on this website they pay you only 5 cents, 3 cents, 8 cents, 20 cents to complete jobs. You are not going to be doing that, guys. You are going to be doing something else, and I'm going to show you guys what you are actually going to be doing. So stick with me in this video. The next website you are going to be needing to sign up on is playerup.com. And if you already have an account on these two websites, lucky you. You don't need to create brand new accounts, but if you are new to these two websites, link are going to be in the description to sign up on this website. Because simply go up to the URLs over here. So this one is playerup.com and this one is picoworkers.com. Links are also going to be in the description. Guys, with this method you are going to be using these two websites to actually carry out this method. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. So I'm going to explain these two websites and what they actually are. So PicoWorkers basically like micro worker site or freelancer site where employers pay employees to carry out different jobs, as you can see here. Sign up over here, watch videos, subscribe, visit that website, download file, create Gmail account, airdrop, join, install, clicks and sign up. So employers are actually paying employees cents over here to do simple jobs over and over again on PicoWorkers. And for PlayUp, this is basically a website where people buy, sell and trade different accounts, and mostly on this website people are trading and selling and buying gaming accounts. But there are other things over here that people are actually buying and selling. That's what I'm going to be showing you guys on later on this video. If I search for this over here, so Gmail over here, so little amount of people actually doing this right now. As you can see here, create an Gmail account, create an account Gmail, create account. So employees are over here are paying employees to actually create Gmail accounts, and as you can see, people actually paying a lot of people to create Gmail accounts. And I'm going to show you guys why in a second. And this is actually what we are going to be doing also. So guys, with this method, the only downside is you are going to need at least $2 or $3 to start up. But if you did not have that, you could simply complete some job. If you did not have $3 to actually start out with this method, you can invest that $3 back into this and gonna be making more money over and over again. So as you guys saw over here, only a few people are actually doing this. So I searched for Gmail and only 20 results out of the, let me see over here. So there are actually 1.1 million people visiting this website every single month, but only 20 people are actually doing this right now. And if we go to the PlayUp over here, I'm going to search for Gmail. So over here, as you can see, 775,000 people visit this website every single month, and only about 6,000 people are actually selling Gmail accounts right now. And guys, that is exactly what you are going to be doing. But before you click off this video, there are a ton of information I haven't shared with you. Guys, a ton of information that's actually going to help you. So if I click on a random one over here, you guys are going to see what I am actually talking about right now. What you want to click on is post job. So after you get the $3 or $2, where you are going to click on this post job. Over here we are going to do is click on international over here. I'm actually going over how to actually set up the job you are going to be posting for this task you are going to be getting people to complete. So guys, you are going to click on international over here. Then you are going to click on apply and go next. Then click on sign up. Then choose on simple sign up. Then click on apply and go to next over here. Then you have to select the amount of workers you need. You need to pay at least 8 cents for this particular job you are going to be posting. So guys, you are going to select the amount of people you need. As you can see, the least amount of you could actually select is 25. And you are going to be paying 2.54 cents for these, and that's what actually said you need $3 to be able to do this. So guys, over here as you can see the selling Gmail accounts. This person is selling 20 Gmail accounts for $5. Just to give you guys an example, if you go over to Pico Workers and actually type in 20 over here and check out the price for this. So over here you can see the price for this is $2.11. So if you actually do this, if you post a job and you get workers to actually create 20 Gmail account, you come over here, you could actually sell that for $5 and you are gonna make $3 profit over and over again. And this person selling 100 Gmail accounts for $25. So if you go back over here and type that in 100 Gmail accounts to create on Pico Workers, that's going to be for $9.21. And this person over here is selling that for $25. So guys, that person is going to make it about $16 profit over and over again. As you can see, this person has actually received a ton of feedback, and that's how you know that person is actually making some amount of sales. So guys, as you can see this person feedback over here, this person has received 379 feedbacks, and I'm sure the person has actually made more sales or more transactions than this, because not everyone gonna leave a feedback. So you guys can see that this is actually working. I know a ton of people are actually doing this right now, so if you go over to Fiverr and other places, you can see a ton of people are doing the same thing. But guys, with this method, not a lot of people are doing this, right? Now you could actually join this over here right now to actually maximize your chances of ranking on this website and actually making more money. And sometimes I'm gonna advise you guys to do is actually reduce your price for the main time, so that you can start ranking and so more people would actually want to buy from you, because at the point the website is going to trust and other people are going to trust you and buy from you. A ton of people are actually doing this guys, so you guys could also make money from this. And if you want to do Gmail for some reason, you could also do some other websites over here. People are actually buying Instagram accounts, Twitter accounts, I don't know why, but guys, people are actually buying this and people are actually selling this. So if you come over to YouTube accounts, as you can see 24,000 people are actually posting their offers over here. But as you saw, for a Gmail only a few people who are actually doing that, and that's why I actually choose that for this video, because only few amount of people are actually doing that right now. But if you also want to sell gaming accounts, you could do that also. That's what this website is basically about. A ton of people are selling gaming accounts. So you guys could also see the ones you could actually post on Pico Workers and make money from that. So for example, personally, Hulu accounts over here, you could sign up for that online and you could post down Pico Workers also. 5 accounts, gaming accounts mostly. Let's scroll down, see if you can see any other accounts. Spotify accounts over here, that's a nice one. Telegram account, Twitter accounts, TikTok accounts, Xbox account. People are doing different accounts over here. and you could find the one that has low amount of competition. For example, as I showed you guys, Gmail has low amount of competition, and people are actually buying those accounts, and you could go over Pico workers employed people to create this account for you. And as I said, you guys are going to be using 5 minutes of your time every single day, because it's gonna take you literally only 5 minutes to set up this and post the job and actually get this account submitted to you through this. And you're gonna be delivering those accounts whoever is buying it from you over on this platform. So guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So have a nice day.